If you're dropshipping but have no idea how to link your supplier to your shop, then you're watching the right video. Hey everyone, my name is Sarkis. I have scaled numerous brands to 6 figures and beyond. If you want to stay up to date, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Without further ado, let's dive right in. If you do not have a Shopify store yet, then make sure to use the link in my description because that will give you a 3-day free trial and then only $1 payment for 3 months. So basically free. Once you're in, all you have to do is download an app called DSers. So you go to DSers, and if you don't have it, you will have an install button. Once you install it, it will ask you to create an account, number 1. So make sure to create one. Number 2, it will ask you to link your AliExpress account to the DSers for this to properly function. So make sure you have an AliExpress account and then link it over. Once that is done, you can see over here that I am in the DSer app. It's very, very easy. I can go to import list right here, and all I have to do is paste the link of my AliExpress supplier. So let's say that I want to sell these amazing bracelets that have been going pretty viral. Then all I have to do is go to my supplier, copy the link right here, and then paste it right there. Press on OK, and then you can see that it has been imported into DSers. Now, in order to import it to my shop, what I have to do is press on the box and click on push to store. It will come up with some preferences and the store selection. So make sure store selection is selected. Pricing rule is good to go. Continue selling when out of stock, I would select that. Also publish to online store, I would select this. Only push product specifications, I will not select this. Automatic inventory update, I will select it. Automatic price update, make sure that is unchecked, because then if the supplier changes the price a bit, the price will be changed on your shop, and we don't want that. That will hurt your conversion rate with fluctuations, and you won't be able to understand your data properly. Manual price update as well, so I will leave that unchecked. And push all images, I will leave that checked. Once that is done, all I have to do is click on push to store. Now that we have the product in, we can go to products right here, and you can see that it has been properly imported. Obviously the title is way too long, so we need to fix that up. We need to put our magic in here. So I'm gonna obviously put in a beautiful little title, 5-leaf bracelet. All that specification right here, I will take it off. I do not like all of this. This is way too much. The photos, you can edit it up. If you want to add a few more, you can just press over here the plus sign and add a few more. If you want to delete some, let's say this one is not very good quality or it looks a bit weird, then I can just press on remove. So you can see over here the metal color by default are named as 1, 2, 3, 4, which isn't too much. The customer won't be able to properly understand what is 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to make it as understandable and clear as possible. So let's see. So we can see that 1 is definitely the black one that is linked. So I can put black right here. We can see over here the 3 is the green, so I'll put green. We can see the 2 is the white, so I'm gonna put white, and the 4 is the red, so I will put red right here. So press on done, and the length is 20 centimeters. If I want to put the length first, I'm just gonna drag and drop it up. Now that is looking pretty nice to me. I want to edit up the price. Obviously €2 is what we get it from the supplier, but I want to sell it for at least $14.99. So I'm gonna select them all and click on bulk edit. For the price, all I have to do is press on that first box, press shift and press on the last box so it all selects. I can put $14.99 and it will go all in one. For the compare at price, it's here, but if it is not on your screen, you can press on columns on the top right and click on compare at price. Compare at price is basically the price we anchor the product if we're giving any sale the before price. So over here, let's say we're giving a 50% off, then this would be a $29.99. Press on save, and this is looking pretty good. Now obviously, to make it go a bit extra or a bit better, I would recommend you guys to do the following. So number 1, let's go to online store, press on customize, go to products right here, and you can see that we can create a template. So I'm gonna create a template and call this bracelet leaf. Click on create template. Now that we have this, what I need to do, one step to make sure this template is linked up to this product, then all I have to do is refresh the screen, and then I can link it up over here with the leaf bracelet. So make sure the theme template is picking up the one we just created. So I'm gonna press save, and I'm gonna go back to Shopify to properly edit this up. Step number 1, what I like to do, this is way too much scrolling. right? So what I want to do is I want to do thumbnail carousel like that. The person can go through the images as they please without having to scroll too much. Number 2, what I would recommend you guys to do is add 2 blocks. There are 2 things that people ask themselves when they arrive to your website. Number 1, am I being scammed? Is this real? If I get a really broken product, what's gonna happen? And when am I gonna get this product? So very, very important to add 2 collapsible rows. Number 1 is going to cover shipping, and number 2 is going to cover returns. So what we can do as well is change up the icons. So shipping, I like to put the truck, and the guarantee, I like to put the heart. Awesome. This is looking pretty nice. We can add sections as well. Let's say we want to add a multi-row, which I would highly recommend, and then talk a bit more about the product. So you can see over here, I can press on the box and I can change up the image as well as change up the text. Very, very important to highlight the benefits and features of your product, or the main characteristics of your product, why it's such a good one to have in your life. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to create a high converting product page, then make sure to check out this video that I will link up in the description. Once that is done, I'll drag and drop related product under my multi-row. Obviously, we will need to add reviews, we will need to add a sticky add to cart and so on, but that is all covered in the video I linked in my description. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Just wanted to show you how to link up your supplier to your shop and build a product page based on that. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more like this. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you all next week.